Why is Linux FHS making data backup hard? Have you ever wondered why backing up data on Linux can feel like a puzzle? The Linux file system hierarchy standard organizes files in a specific way that can complicate the backup process. Let's break it down. The file system hierarchy standard divides the file system into various directories, each serving a unique purpose. For instance, the directory labeled etc. holds configuration files, while var contains variable data like logs. User data is typically found in. This separation is logical for system operations, but creates challenges when it comes to backing up data. One major issue is that critical system files and user data are scattered across different directories. For example, the configuration files in usually do not change often. In contrast, log files in var are constantly being updated. User data in home is often the most important and needs careful backup. This means that backup solutions must be selective, focusing on directories based on how frequently they change and their importance. Another factor is the variety of file system types supported by Linux. These include ext4, Btrfs, XFS, and ZFS, each with its own features and backup needs. Some file systems have snapshot capabilities that can make backups easier, while others may require more complex tools. This variety adds another layer of difficulty when creating backup solutions that work across different Linux environments. The file system hierarchy standard does not centralize all data in one location, unlike some other operating systems. This distributed nature means that backup tools must be aware of the file system hierarchy standard layout. If they are not, they might miss important data or end up backing up unnecessary files. This can waste storage space and increase backup time. From a practical standpoint, backup tools on Linux often need to be customized. They should prioritize backing up user data in home, handle frequently changing directories like var differently from static directories like etc., and exclude temporary directories that do not need to be backed up. Additionally, managing permissions and ownership across various directories is essential for a successful backup. In summary, the Linux file system hierarchy standard complicates data backup because it organizes system and user data into multiple directories with different roles. Backup strategies must be more selective and aware of this structure. The variety of supported file systems and their different backup capabilities further complicate the process. Effective backup solutions must consider these factors to ensure reliable and efficient data protection.